friends, we are solving the x and y value, the solution for x and y in cross multiplication method. Okay, so we have the second problem on the board. Let us solve this. Solve the equation by cross multiplication method. This is the equation, and same equation is being written here. So that is equal to 20, that is equal to 40. I have written taken inside, and that is equal to 0. I have written here. So before that, we have to extract the values of a1 and a2. a1 and a2 are the coefficients of x, and b1 and b2. b1 and b2 are the coefficients of y, and c1 and c2. These are the constants. We need to extract these coefficients and constants. a1 that is 3, b1, a2 that is 6, b1 that is minus 5, b2 that is minus 10, c1 that is minus 20, c2 that is minus 40. By using this, we should write the formula. How to extract the formula? We have to remember the formula. If in case if we forget the formula, what to do? Here it is the very simple tricks to remember. See here, a1 a2, b1 b2, c1 c2. So write down x, y and 1. So this b1 and b2 will be written here, b1 and b2. After b1 we have c1 and c2. After c1 we have a1 and a2. Again b1 and b2. So this is the thing. If we multiply these two, b1 c2 minus b2 c1, that is equal to y divided by c1 a2 minus c2 a1, that is equal to a1 b2 minus a2 b1. This is the very simple reference to remember the formula. This is the formula. Okay, I write x divided by b2 c1, b1 c2, b1 c2, these two, minus 5 minus 40. Minus b1 b2 c1 b2 c1 minus 10 minus 40 minus 10 minus 20, that is equal to 1 divided by a1 b2 3 minus 10 minus a2 b1 6 minus 5. So x divided by, this is minus into minus plus, that is 200 minus minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus 10 into 20, that is also 200. So here 1 divided by minus 30 minus 6 5s are, so this is plus 30. So x divided by 0 and 1 divided by 0, plus 200 minus 200 will get cancelled, minus 30 plus 30 will get cancelled. So 1 divided by 0, that is infinite. X is equal to infinite. Infinitely x has infinitely many values. So that's it. We have got 1 by 0, 1 by 0 will be infinity. So x has infinitely many values. So same thing. Y formula, by using y formula we have to remember. I will write the y formula here. See, y divided by c1 a2 minus c2 a1, that's equal to 1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So this is the formula. By using this, c1 minus 20, a2 6 minus c2 minus 40, a1 that is minus 3, that's equal to 1 divided by a1 that is 3, b2 that is minus 10 minus a2 that is 6, b1 that is minus 5. So y divided by r and n, 6 2s are cholo, that is minus 120, minus into minus plus 43, so that is also 120, that is equal to minus 30, minus 10 into this, that is minus 10, 30, minus into minus plus 6 5 are 30. So y divided by plus 120 minus 120 will get cancelled, y by 0. So minus 30 plus 30 will get cancelled, 1 by 0, y is equal to infinity, therefore infinity, y has infinitely many values. That's all. So totally I solved 2 problems on the basis of this cross multiplication method. Still we have many problems. If we go on solving all the exercise questions here in this video class, it will be endless. It may take 30 to 40 hours to complete all the exercise problems. So for example, I have shown these 2 problems. Still we have many concepts to make you understand. This is the very concept I try to make you understand well. So substitution method, elimination method and the cross multiplication method, all the 3 methods I have done and some examples I have completed. So to make you understand, this is enough. In order to score more and to understand well, you need to practice it for solving all the problems given in the exercises. While solving, if you find any kind of difficulty, obviously we will be there to guide you. But solving all the problems which is there in the textbook will be tedious to listen also, because to understand one problem we need at least 15 to 20 minutes to make you understand all the problems given in the exercises. I already told you that it will take 20 to 30 hours, so it is tedious. Okay, try to solve all the problems in exercises. Let us see the next problem. Thank you. Dear students, so in the pair of linear equations we have completed 3 methods of finding x and y values: substitution method, elimination method and the cross multiplication method. So we have some other kind of problems. We need to recall all the 3 lines: intersecting lines, parallel lines and coincident lines, and condition for the lines. We have to remember, we have to recall and remember all those things in this problem. And let us stop this session and let us continue next concept of pair of linear equations. So this is the problem which recalls all the knowledge what you have gained in the lines, okay, in the concept of lines, pair of linear equations in the lines. Okay, fine. See here, the question has been asked here: for which values of p does the pair of equations given below as unique solution? So to remember that, I have written once again in the board that if a1 a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then these lines are intersecting lines. I mean, lines are intersecting like that, and so in these lines we have only one exactly one solution we have. If the lines are coincident, then a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c1 by c2, so that this solution has infinitely many solutions. Okay, if the lines are parallel, this is coincident, one line is overlapping on another line, 2 lines are there in looking like one, so those kind of lines are parallel, coincident lines. Parallel lines, so one line is parallel to another line, AB is one line and CD is another line. AB and CD are parallel to each other. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, that is not equal to C1 by C2. So in this situation, it doesn't have any solution. So this is the condition we need to remember. If we remember and if we keep in our mind, then these kind of problems will be solved easily. Okay. See here, for which value of p does the pair of equation given below as unique solution. See here, exactly one solution. Exactly one solution in the sense unique. There should not be another like that. Only if there is only one solution, then that is called unique solution, means one solution. Okay, fine. See here, let us extract the value of a solution. So here 4x minus py plus 8 is equal to 0. 2x plus 2y plus 2 is equal to 0. The value of a1 and a2 has to be extracted out, and b1 and b2 and c1 and c2. So let us extract this thing. So this is 4 and 2, a1, a2, a1, a2, 4, 2. So minus p and 2, and here 8 and 2. See what is the condition here? If it is a unique solution, one solution means, what is the condition? a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by a2. So what is the value of a1? That is 4. That is 2 not equal to b1 minus p into 2. This will come here, 4 multiplied by 2, that is not equal to minus p. So 4 is not equal to minus p. If we put the value of p is equal to minus 4, then this will have unique solution. That's it. Okay, so the value of p that is equal to minus 4, if we apply, then this is not equal to a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 will be applicable when if we provide p is equal to minus 4. That's it. These kind of problems are there still. You please solve, and it is just an example and just a recapitulation of the condition. That is, if there is one solution, what is the condition and what kind of lines they are. If there is infinitely many solutions, what kind of lines are there and what are this condition, and if no solution is there, what kind of lines they will be, and how will be the condition of coefficients and constants. So to make you understand this concept, I have taken one example. So if you understand this thing very well, these kind of problems will be solved easily. Okay, let's go for the next problem.